Apreamare Gozzo 35 is one new model of the Apreamare shipyard. We launched this boat in Cannes this year. We have a great success with this boat also during the last 12 months. We have already delivered around 15 boats this year, this season, but of course this is a world premiere due to COVID, so we have the presentation here of the boat in Cannes. Gozzo 35 is a totally new model, a new design, in cooperation with Marco Casali, is the architect and designer, and Umberto Tagliavini is our historical engineer with marine design for the hull. This boat, as a main technical characteristic, has two types of propulsion: the classical shaft with V-drive and stern propeller with Volvo Penta DPI. So all the models of the engines are Volvo Penta 270 and 320 DPI or stern drive. With the stern drive we have a lot of advantage in order of speed, consumption and performance. The shaft drive is always very safe and loved for the Apreamare lovers and for the historical owners of our brand. The boat is very comfortable. We have an open space interior with a queen-size bed and a huge bathroom with a separate shower that is really unique things for a boat of 10 meter. The length of the boat, I precise, is around 10 meters plus the swim platform. We can already arrange an additional bed for kids, for a skipper to live on board. This is a quiet modification with the access directly from the stairs in the cabin, so you can reach 3 berths inside. But the most important thing of this boat, we think, is the exterior. This is a really walk around. This is the first real walk around on the market of 10 meters, because we have no steps from the bow to the stern. This is the first boat on the market with such characteristics that is really singular for an European boat. The cockpit is amazing because we have 370 meters of maximum beam, a lot of comfortable with seats, sunbed convertible. Also our historical sofa at the bow with two opposite sides, so the boat is really comfortable for the family, for friends. This is a day cruiser, very special with high marine performance because of the hull that is really marine. Also for rough sea, you can easily feel comfortable and safe on board. So let's come to visit us. Thank you.